I am Frida with WTI, and I'm going to show you something that's going to help you. If you get those little pillies on your shirt, I hate them. I'm always trying to line dry things, and sometimes it just doesn't matter. So you need to get a fabric shaver. This one is by Bymore. I really, really like it. I took a couple of videos of some of the sweaters that have been destroyed that I've been able to save the last few days. There's a guard here, which would be really good for a sweater like the one I have on right now, where I don't really want it to go down really far because it could possibly cut the fabric, but you can take it completely off. And inside here are the blades. I really like that the company sent 2 extra packages of blades, as well as a little bag to keep everything, and a little brush to clean everything out. My other favorite thing about this is the fact that it can be battery powered, which I've had in the past, but you can also plug it in. And you can hear when I run it, it's a little bit more powerful with it plugged in. So this is a battery powered. When you plug it in, you can tell it just runs at a little bit of a higher speed. If you're on the go, it's nice that it has the battery stored in it. But I actually, now that I've experienced both, prefer having it plugged in. It worked a little bit quicker on the fabric. So even if there's long strings on your fabric, this thing works really great for cutting them off. I really love that they included a little carrying case. Throw it in your bag, throw it in your luggage when you're traveling. It's perfect to have just to keep the pillies away, and that is my point of view.